Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn iCloud contacts on or off on your Mac. This can be useful if you want to stop your contacts from syncing with iCloud, or enable syncing across your Apple devices. To get started, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, click your name or Apple account at the top of the left-hand menu. Next, select iCloud. Under the Save to iCloud section, look for Contacts. If you don't see it immediately, click See All to display the complete list of apps and features using iCloud. Scroll down until you find Contacts. To stop syncing your contacts with iCloud, simply turn off the switch next to Contacts. Depending on your macOS version, you may be asked whether you want to keep a copy of your existing iCloud contacts on your Mac. To enable contact syncing again, return to the same section and turn the switch back on. Once enabled, any changes you make to your contacts can automatically sync across your Mac, iPhone, iPad, and other devices signed in with the same Apple account. And that's how you can quickly enable or disable iCloud contacts on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.